Good morning, students. Let us start chapter number 2, that is a poem, Birdie Will You Pet by W. Ellingham. It is a very beautiful poem. This poem is about the conversation of the poet and a free bird. The poet wants to pet that bird and keep that bird in the cage. And in that purpose, for that purpose, the poet continues to give proposals to that bird and wants to attract the bird by giving all the materialistic pleasures. But what the bird decides, that bird decides to be in cage or to be free. That answer we will get in the poem. But before doing the poem, this pre-reading task is there for you. The question is there for you. Number one, if asked to choose between money and freedom, what would you choose and why? Would you choose money or freedom? And you must give a reason for that. Choosing anything. Can you think of a few things that come with freedom and cannot be bought with money? Discuss with your partner and prepare it, like happiness. We cannot buy happiness from the market. Now, let's begin the poem. Child, birdie, birdie, will you pet? Summertime is far away yet. You will have silken quilts and a velvet bed and a pillow of satin for your head. The child is asking the bird, giving proposal to the bird. Bird, dear little sweet bird, will you be my pet? As you know, summertime is not going to come so early. These are winters and you can get many comforts from me. I will give you silken quilts made up of fine silks, and I will give you a bed made up of velvet, so soft, and I will give you pillow of satin cloth. But the bird says, I would rather sleep in the ivy wall. No rains come through, though I hear it fall. The sun peeps gay at dawn of day, and I sing and wing away, away. Bird said, no, I don't want your all the things. I don't want silken quilts. I would sleep in ivy wall. I would sleep on a wall that is crippled by a ivy plant. No rains come through. Rain will not come there, but I would be able to hear that fall. I would be able to hear the voice of rain. The sun peeps gay at dawn of day. Sun seems to be very happy at the time of dawn. What is dawn? It means the time when we see light in the sky. After night we see light in the sky, but we are not able to see the sun. Sun is about to rise. At that time I used to sing and I used to fly here and there. You all have noticed that birds are so cheerful in that time. They used to chirp a lot. Child, oh birdie, birdie, will you pet? Diamond stones and amber and jet. We will string on a necklace fair and fine to please this pretty bird of mine. Now the child is saying, birdie, birdie, will you be my pet, please? I will give you a beautiful necklace that will be made up of stone, diamond, and jet. So beautiful it would be. And I will put that necklace in your beautiful neck, and I will make you happy from that. Bird says, oh, thanks for diamonds and thanks for jet, but here is something daintier yet, a feather necklace round and round that I wouldn't sell for 1,000 pounds. Now the bird refused again. Bird said, thank you for your diamond, thank you for your jet. I don't want these things. But I have one thing that is much more sweeter than those necklaces. That is my feather necklace. That is round and round. I have my feather necklace, I have my beautiful feathers, and I am not going to sell those feathers for 1,000 pounds even. Child, oh birdie, birdie, won't you pet? We will buy you a dish of silver fret, a golden cup and an ivory seat, and carpets soft beneath your feet. Now again, child is giving proposals. Child is saying, birdie, birdie, please be my pet. Won't you be my pet? We will buy you buy you the dishes of silver. Silver threads, those dishes would be decorated by silver threads. Cup, golden cup, and ivory seat made up of ivory colored, tusk colored seats, and there would be carpets beneath your feet. Bird says, can running water be drunk from gold? Here the bird is asking the question, will I be able to drink running water from gold? Can a silver dish the forest hold? Can your silver dish will have a forest in that? A rocking twig is the finest chair. Rocking twig means a small branch moving in the air. That is the finest chair for the bird. And the softest paths lie through the air. Goodbye, goodbye to my lady fair. And the bird, here you can see the bird refused all the proposals and bid a goodbye to that child. So understanding the poem. So here what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to revise the poem thoroughly. It is very simple and easy and beautiful poem written by W. Ellingham. Now understanding the poem. In the poem, the child offers various comforts to the bird in exchange for its freedom, but the bird declines them. Complete the chart given below by filling in the offers made by the child and the bird's preference over them. Here, in the first paragraph, the child offers silken quilts, velvet bed, and satin pillow. I have told you, and here the bird prefers ivy wall, dawn, rain. You can fill them. Okay. Then a necklace made of diamond stones and amber. Okay. And here what are the what the bird prefers? Feather necklace. Okay. Then here silver dish, golden cup, ivory seat, carpets. And here the bird prefers running water, forest, and rocking twig. So I have solved that for you. You can fill those things in your book by yourself now. Now read the extracts given below and answer the question that follows. So here it is the paragraph. It is the second paragraph. It is the reply of a bird. Who is I in the above lines? Bird is I in the above lines. Ivy is a plant. What does the bird want to convey by describing it as a wall? So, bird wants to describe here that I may not get much comfort from that, but that plant is going to save me from rain like a wall. What does the speaker prefer EV wall to? The speaker prefer EV wall to. Here it is the answer to a velvet bed. Means EV wall is better than the velvet bed for the speaker, because here the speaker is the bird. And then a feather necklace round and round that I wouldn't sell for £1,000. What is the necklace offered by the child made of? The necklace is made of diamond stone and amber jet. What is the necklace that the bird has made of? That is made of feather. Which necklace does the bird prefer? Why? Bird prefers the necklace made by feather because it is much more sweeter than the necklace offered by the child. So, what is the rhyme scheme of the poem? That is, you can see it here. Pet yet, it is AA. Bedhead, BB. Wall fall, CC, DD. This is AABB. So, the rhyming scheme is AABB type. So, rest of the questions we will do in the next video. I will solve them for you. And now what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to revise whole of the poem